So bilingualism is defined as a speaker's ability to use two languages for a communication. For example, someone with complete mastery of two different languages without interference between the two linguistic processes. For example, like he knows two languages with approximately the same degree and perfection as unilingual speakers of those languages. Like with those people who need and use two or more languages or dialects in their everyday lives. They're called bilingual. Or anyone who possesses a minimal competence in only one of the four language skills: the listening comprehension, the speaking, reading, and writing in a language other than his mother tongue. And a person could become a bilingual in a different reason. So, number one, they are maybe raised in a dual language household, like for example, from a mixed marriages, like with a Filipino parent and a non-Filipino parent who they learned both languages from infancy. Or number two, they are being sent to a private English language schools as little kids. Or even because they learn second language after life. So there are lots of different definition of bilingualism and how can a person become a bilingual. Yes, I do consider myself a bilingual, for I know how to use, I can be able to use the English language, the Filipino language, which is the Tagalog, and my mother tongue, the Bisaya dialect. Yes, and I have only familiar with a few of its policy, and these are the policy that implemented. The regional languages shall be used as auxiliary media of instruction as initial language for literacy where needed. And Filipino and English shall be taught as a language subjects in all levels to achieve goals of bilingual competence. And also, since competence in the use of both Filipino and English is one of the goals of bilingual education policy, continuing improvement in the teaching of both languages, their use as media of instruction, and the specification shall be the responsibility of the whole educational system. And lastly, territorial level institution shall lead the continuing intellectualization of Filipino, and the program of intellectualization, however, shall also be pursued in both the elementary and secondary levels.